for cakes. These are flower boxes on my windows.
Let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me go home.
Solar panels, cladding. It's like being a kid again. It's an aquarium store. Buy 2 goldfish, get 1 free. A rooftop garden and cotton, which is all sustainable living. I noticed it has a riverfront. It has a riverfront view.
It's kind of like a party house, and we're gonna extend out the back and like little skate park or something for the kiddies. So yeah, man.
I go washing line in a pool.
I follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Boats and boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I've been everywhere with you.
That's true. Laughing till we think we're down, barefoot on the summer night. Never could be.
It's actually a hostel because I'm a backpacker.
So why has it got a giraffe on it?
Because it's called the Giraffe Backpackers.
So I'm gonna have like little stars, little moons up here.
That's our wheatgrass. Wheatgrass, yep. It's an eco. Yeah, eco.
Yeah.
What's hot and what's not.
Yeah, mine's not very creative. You might want to pick someone else.
Let me go home.